Would you believe this cabbage grew right here in the snow of Lesotho? Where I live, cabbage is part of survival. Popularly known in Lesotho as jelemoot, derived from the Afrikaans phrase "julle moet" for "you must." This sentiment is true. Cabbage feeds animals, families, and keeps us strong through the winter. This is not just food, it's life in the mountains. But first, please like and subscribe to help me share more farming stories from Lesotho. Step 1. Seedlings and planning ahead. You can prepare the seedlings yourself by making a seed bed. This takes a long time and effort. Option 2 is to order the seedlings 6 weeks before your planned planting to allow enough time for growing. There are places where growers use greenhouses like these to ensure the correct conditions for better quantity and quality of seedlings. Step 2. Preparing the land. The soil is our foundation. Break it well and make it smooth. Make cabbage rows around 90 centimeters apart. Then dig holes in the rows where you will plant the cabbages. The space between the cabbage holes should be around 70 to 80 centimeters apart. Step 3. Enriching with kraal manure. Our affordable, natural fertilizer. Pour it into each hole and mix it with the soil. This enriches the ground with nutrients for strong, healthy growth. If the soil is too dry, add a little water so it's moist and ready. You can do this process the day before you do your planting. Step 4. Planting the cabbage. Carefully transplant your seedlings from your seed bed. Then tuck them into the soil, making sure the soil that comes with the seedling is fully covered. Water the newly planted seedlings with about 2 liters of water. Daily management and care. Cabbage needs daily care. Water your cabbage every day with about 2 liters of water, but pour the water around the base, not directly on the leaves when the cabbage is small. Once it's stronger, you can be less strict about this. Weeding and digging. Keep weeds away and soften the soil around the plants so water soaks in. Pest control. Watch closely for pests. Around 6 weeks after transplanting, Dad usually applies pesticide at first sight of pests or as a preventative measure. Mulching. Mulching helps keep moisture when it's dry. But if you can't mulch, don't stress. The cabbage will still grow. My father has grown cabbage this way for over 40 years. After about 4 months, this is the reward. Fresh cabbage for family meal. Plant in batches 6 weeks apart, so you have food for longer instead of one big harvest. So this is how we grow cabbage in the mountains of Lesotho. It's simple, but it provides life. From Lesotho's soil to your home, may your land always provide. If you enjoyed this journey from field to kitchen, please like, share, and subscribe so more people can discover the beauty of farming in our mountains. Ke a leboha. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.